Hello students and welcome back to Pair of Lines. Here in this module, after learning combined or joint equation of lines, we are going to solve some problems based on the same concept. Okay students, let us see the first one. The first question says, find the combined equation of bisector of the angles between the coordinate axes. So we need combined equation of two lines which bisect angle between coordinate axes. Okay students, in solution we need to think of for the lines which bisect angle between coordinate axes. So let lines L1 and L2 be the bisectors of the coordinate axis, that is they bisect angle between coordinate axes. In the diagram we can prepare XY axis and we can think of the first line which will bisect angle between coordinate axes. Now, the word bisect means it will make two equal parts, and therefore we can say inclination here will be pi by 4, that is 45 degrees. Similarly, there can be one more line which will bisect second and fourth quadrant, and here for L2 the inclination will be 3 pi by 4, that is 135 degrees. So let us say theta 1 and theta 2 be their inclinations. So theta 1 in this case is pi by 4 and theta 2 is 3 pi by 4, that is 135 degrees. Now students, to find the combined equation we need to find their equations separately, right? And therefore we say let slopes of L1 and L2 be m1 and m2, and m, that is slope, is given by tan theta, right? Therefore m1 is tan pi by 4 and m2 is tan 3 pi by 4, that is minus 1. Now once we have slopes, now we can go for equations. Since the lines are passing through origin, their equations are of the form y equal to mx, that is y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x. And here for this problem they become y equal to x and y equal to minus x. Now once we have equations of lines, we can go for combined equation, and therefore we say x minus y equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 0. The combined equation is x minus y into x plus y equal to 0. This becomes x square minus y square is equal to 0. So students, here we got combined equation of lines bisecting angle between coordinate axes. Question number 2 says, find the joint equation of lines which pass through the point 1, 2 and are parallel to the coordinate axis. So let us say line parallel to the coordinate axis means line is parallel to either x axis or y axis. Now students, when line is parallel to x axis, we can say equation of such a line is y equal to k. And when line is parallel to y axis, its equation is x equal to k, right? And therefore we say the equations of the lines passing through 1, 2 and parallel to coordinate axis are, now there are two lines. Here is the point 1, 2 and the first line is parallel to y axis, that is x equal to k, so we get x equal to 1. The second line is parallel to x axis, that is again passing through 1, 2, so we say it is y equal to k, and therefore the equation is y equal to 2. Now students, once we have equations, we can go ahead and find combined equation, right? Therefore x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 are the equations. Now let us try to find the combined equation here. So we say the lines can be written as x minus 1 equal to 0 and y minus 2 equal to 0. These become the joint equation as x minus 1 into y minus 2 equal to 0. On simplification, xy minus 2x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So here we get the combined equation of required lines. Okay, let us go for question number 3. Question number 3 says, find the joint equation of the lines passing through the point minus 1, 2 and perpendicular to the lines x plus 2y plus 37 equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y minus 53 equal to 0. So students, here we need joint equation of lines passing through a given point. One is perpendicular to the first line and other is perpendicular to the second line. Okay, let us proceed. Here in solution we say let the required lines be L1 and L2. Slope of the first given line, that is x plus 2y plus 37 equal to 0, is minus half, and therefore slope of first required line will be 2. That is because lines are perpendicular. right? Similarly, slope of second given line is 3 by 4 and slope of required line L2 will be minus 4 by 3 because of perpendicular line condition. Now once we have slopes, students, we have a point through which both the required lines pass, and therefore we say equation of L1, that is passing through minus 1 comma 2, is given by slope point form, that is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So here for this line, this gives y minus 2 is equal to 2 times x minus minus 1. On simplification, we get y minus 2 is 2x plus 2, and therefore 2x minus y plus 2 plus 2 is 0, and this gives 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. So this is equation of first required lines. Similarly, we can find equation of L2, which again passes through the same point, and this equation becomes y minus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3 is the slope into x plus 1, and on simplification we get 3y minus 6 is equal to minus 4x minus 4. This gives 4x plus 3y minus 6 plus 4 equal to 0. That means 4x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now once we have the equations of two lines, that is equation of L1 and equation of L2, we can proceed for joint equation. The joint equation is 2x minus y plus 4 into 4x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. On simplification, this becomes 8x square plus 6xy minus 4x minus 4xy minus 3y square plus 2y plus 16 plus 12y minus 8 equal to 0. And therefore 8x square plus 2xy minus 3y square plus 12x plus 14y minus 8 equal to 0 is the required combined equation. Alright. Now once we solve the previous one, let us take the next challenge. Question number 4 says, find the combined equation of the lines passing through the origin which are parallel and perpendicular to the line x plus 2y plus 1857 equal to 0. So students, we need combined equation of lines where one line is parallel to this given line and other is perpendicular to this given line. Let us start. In solution we say, let required lines be L1 and L2. Slope of x plus 2y plus 1857 is minus half. Therefore, slope of L1, that is parallel to the given line, will be same as given line, minus half. And because of parallel lines, slope of second line L2, that is perpendicular line M2, will be 2, and this is because of perpendicular line condition. Now we know that both the lines pass through origin, and equation of lines passing through origin is given by y equal to mx. Therefore, we get y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x. When we substitute slopes here, students, we get y equal to minus 1 by 2 times x and y equal to 2x. On simplification, 2y is minus x and 2x minus y equal to 0. That is x plus 2y equal to 0 and 2x minus y 0. Now students, we can find the combined equation very easily. So here we get the combined equation. The combined equation becomes therefore 2x square minus xy plus 4xy minus, we can say 2y square is equal to 0. And this on simplification becomes 2x square plus 3xy minus 2y square is equal to 0. So this equation is the combined equation of the required lines. So this is how we solve problems on the concept called as combined equation. Thank you.